Aztec. Ibigay niya si Guzman. The floater. 3-3. Buena mano. Guzman. Valdez. Tuan. Ibigay kay Valdez. Valdez. Iniwan ang depensa. Pinasa kay Marquez. Marquez. Pinagit. Miscommunication. Misunderstand. And you. Aztec. Paso sa lahat. Hinaharas. Nabalik kay Aztec. Ibigay kay Salvahan. Salvahan. Traveling violation. Bago. Paso Marquez. Marquez sa salaksa. Binigay kay Bago. Pinakasamayaan. Ang dumiskane. Talo ng sa bola. Aztec. Intercept by pass to Zapata. Zapata left 2 points. 3-2. Aztec to the ground. 2 points. We're back by 2. Foul number 30, De La Cruz. Ubaldo, pass to Valdez. Sasalas si Valdez, bigay ni Ubaldo. With his 2 points. 5-4. Aztec. Aztec din diskarte ni Alonso. Binigay ni Lugmao. Lugmao, binigay kay Salvahan. Salvahan. Check ball. Salvahan. Nabalik na binigay ni Ang. 2 points. James Favor, 6-5. De Guzman, ito Aztec. Back to the Cruz. Sa press, bumitaw. No good. Rebound de Guzman. Nabalik Salvahan. Salvahan, 2 points. 7-6. Ubaldo. Zapata fires. Reynolds Salvahan. Foul number 24. Valdez. Aztec. Pass to De Guzman. Lugmao. Salvahan. Salvahan. No good. Rebound Zapata. Pass to Ang. Nakakuha ni Valdez. Nakakuha ni Ubaldo. Ubaldo. To Valdez. 10 to shoot. Ubaldo, no good. Rebound De La Cruz. And foul man number 18. Ubaldo. First personal. Second team foul. 2 shots. Second free throw on point, 8-6. Ubaldo atake. Rebound in his hand. Inagawa na ako ni Marquez. Marquez to Valdez. Nabinawan. Nabinawan kay Guzman. Inagawa si De La Cruz. Zampaga. No good. Marquez, pass to Zampaga. To Valdez. Valdez. Yes. Henry. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pass to Salvahan. Natin. Now, Ubaldo. Ubaldo. Pass to Marquez. Marquez, no good. Marquez again. Check. Good defense. Binigay kay Guzman. The Guzman pumiling. Binigay kay De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Lopez. At the foul number 24. Valdez. Second personal. Player. La Cabra. Paso Razon. Razon to Legamia. Legamia to Bellinelli. Arhil. 2 points. Ganda yata puso. Maganda may banlaw. Holtner. Running down to Guzman. No good. Now on Pedera. Pedera Agaras. Ibigay kay Legamia. Pass to Razon. Pinag pera ng Juan de Guzman. De Guzman. 2 points. Legamia. Ibigay kay Razon. Pinasa kay Pedera. Pedera. 10 to shoot. Rompala. Pass to De Guzman. Ayan, pabalta na. Silog Mau. Okay, back to the movie. Razon. Paso de Legamia. Legamia bailada reverse. 2 points. The Ant-Man. All 12. De Guzman. Ibinigay kay Gomez. Gomez ata ibinigay sa gilid. Lomboy no good. Rombala. Paso De Guzman. 10 to shoot. Ibinigay kay Rombala. Rombala. Ibinigay kay Guzman. Lomboy no good. Now na rebound kay Ant-Man. Legamia. Ibinigay Pedera. Pedera no good. Same ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Razon. 10 to shoot. Arhil. 2 points. Ganda na pagkakasampay na niya. 14-12. De Guzman. Hinagin sa ilalim. Same ball. Ganda po sumeli ha. De Guzman pass. Air ball to Hinagas. Mabilis na Juan de Guzman. De And foul number 29, Bedera. Warning for penalty. 2 minutes 39. No point. Even in Bedera. Bedera taas. Napunta kay Rason. Rason. Rebound. Lomoy. Napunta ka Rombawa. Rombawa de Derecho. Mahina na Orel Dali. Orhill. Binigay kay Rason. Pinasayan ng Legawia. Foul number 21, De Guzman. Second free throw. Rebound, one point, pass to De Guzman. Iiayos kay Boy, pinigay kay Rombawa. Rombawa pa yung goal, galing din yung pinasa kay De Guzman. No good! Rebound or hit, pass to Lentan. Tago sa isa, Ligavia, pass to Rason. Easy basket. 16-12. Roll Gomez, no good. Orhill, pass to Ligavia. Binigay kay Bedera. Bedera to the ground. 2 points. 18-12. 1 minute. 27. De Guzman. Fourth quarter, no good. Same ball. Rombawa, pass to Gomez for 3. And Gomez, 3. 18-15. 1 minute, 8 seconds. Jersey number 8, Rason. Pass to Orhill. Orhill to Ligavia. Ligavia, no good. No boy, rebound. Pass to Guzman. 3-1. Behind the back. Rombawa, 2 points. 18-17. Razon. Paso Orhill. Rebound Guzman. Paso Rombawa. Tatlo sa isa. Even kay Rombawa. Change favor. 19-18. 21 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Down to 5. 5 seconds. Gomez, long 3.
Makapag-shoot niya.
Valdez, binigay kay Marquez, pinasa kay A. Foul number 12, Salvahan. Second free throw. Rebound, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, binigay awal Sampaga. Sampaga respect na stay. Pass to A. Ang pumesto sa 3, bubukol. Greedy, Greedy. 21-19. Ilog Mau. Inagis kay De La Cruz. No good to De La Cruz. Rebound Valdez. Back to Marquez. Marquez kumang. Mataas. Napon ang Bautista. Bautista turuan. And one. Last take down. Power number 28, Castel. Three-point play on De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Yes, 2 points. Third to number 9 Valdez. Pass to Bautista. Bautista to Valdez. De La Cruz. Nakapunta kay Castel. Castel to de Guzman. And de Guzman. Marquez pass to Bautista. Bautista to Marquez. Bautista to Am. Am. 10 to shoot. Wide open shot. 3 seconds violation. De La Cruz to de Guzman. And 3-point back to back. 3 de Guzman. Valdez. Turnover. And finally, De La Cruz pass to Luzmao. No good. Valdez. One to Guzman. Lacking foul number 9, Marquez. Salvahan Pink. Pass to Luzmao. In and out. Rebound Sampaga. Sampaga din din ako na wala na pa tayo Guzman. Salvahan. Hasse. Pass to Luzmao. Buenas. Valdez para derecho. 2 points. 30-28. Hasse. Sampaga. Hinagis ni Marquez. Marquez layup. 2 points. De La Cruz fires. Sampaga rebound. Sampaga. Marquez. Marquez pumesto sa 3. Marquez 3. 33-30. 26, Bautista. Salvahan di Giscare. Napunta kay Caste. Caste no good. Sampaga. Sampaga, mabilis na baba. Diretso. 2 points. 30. Look now. Look now, 2 points. Valdez, atake. At may foul, may number 12. Saltahan. James Blair. Second free throw. Rebound from Bawa. Pass to Guzman. De la Cruz. Ibigay kay Lomboy. Pinasama ng Bawa. Valdez, no good. De Guzman ang rebound. Leg out now. 2 points. Valdez out. Dami players. Kaya, same target naman yan sa kamala. Pedro ba? Rombawa. Binigay na agad ang palo. Pero may foul. Again. Balik na. All number 8. Ligangnya daw dulu. So De La Cruz saksa-laksak, fade away, no good. Rebound, no hill. Binigay ng lagang pinasa kay Lomao. Lomao to Giscarte. Number 23, Ocean Pound. Tulak. Masama mong tulak sa labas. Dito sa loob. Libre. Rombawa. No good. Argel rebound. Pasok Pedera. Pedera tuloy lang yan. Basket down. And 1. Bonus shot. Foul number 2. Lomboy. Jersey number 20, that man, Legamia, and 1 for penalty. Take a smack. De Guzman, atake, binigay sa ilalim. Dulan, gamit natin kay Ubaldo. Ubaldo, attack. Sunod. Legalia. 2 points. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to the boy. She back to that. Pinahasa ng Espacio Mago. Foul number 21. Panigas sa depensa. Penalty. Good shot. Nasobrang sa uli.
Siya sumusunod. Pinapasok mo si Linder nung Pelger eh.
1 point. Halika na. Yun. Out muna si Lugao. Pasok. Dizon. Ala. Tatapusin yung second quarter. Next injury. Three minutes remaining. 34-44. Luis Manso de la Cruz. De la Cruz sa gitna. Atake. Good defense. Pero de la Cruz pa rin. 2 points. Dizon. Pass to Legalia. Legalia to Orhill. Vinalek and Legalia. Dizon on pass. Rompa, 2 points. Dizon. Dizon ang atake binigay ng Legalia pinasa kay Orhill. Pero spot no good. Laban ng De La Cruz. De La Cruz ang atake Bermejo. No out. Foul number 18, Ubaldo. Penalty. Second personal foul, Ubaldo. 1:59. No good. Second free throw, 1 point. Score, 47-13 at 1:59. Pedera, pass to Legalia. Pedera. Balik-balik Legalia. Inagas na kuha. Legas ng tabi. De La Cruz. Mapagis ang kuha Orhill. Binigay kay Ubaldo. Ubaldo, pass to Pedera. Turnover. Foul, jersey number 2, Dizon, good shot. One point. Second free throw, 2 for 2. 47-41. 6-point lead, team ng Kaiser. Ubaldo, pass to Orhill. Orhill to Legalia. Pass to Dizon. number 18, third personal, Ubaldo. Penalty. One point. Second. No good. Rebound to Gavia. Pass Ubaldo. Ubaldo drives. No good. Ball and 4 corners. Pinaglalaban ang parang ayaw ibigay. De La Cruz aatake, diretso sa blind. Nahawa naman yun, binigay kay Ubaldo. Ubaldo pa ito, binigay kay Pedera. Pedera's spat, 2 points. 42. De Guzman didiskarte. Pedera rebound, pass to Dizon. Tatlo sa isa, Dizon. 2 points, no good. De La Cruz, pass to Lemboy. Pinibigay. 12 more seconds. Seconds. 18 seconds. De La Cruz. Open shot. 5 for 3. 9 seconds.
Good.
Down to 5. And small. Foul number 4. Segundo na lang. One seconds. Sampai lupa. One seconds. One point. 50-42.
White ball. White black ball.
There's a number 8, Ubaldo. Ubaldo pass sa Paga. Sa Paga, pinalayan ni Ubaldo. Ibigay ni Marquez. Marquez sa labas bumuhol sa blind. Nakuha De La Cruz. De La Cruz. No good. Foul number 30. De La Cruz. Second personal, De La Cruz. Bates aatakin. No good. De Guzman rebound. Running down. This is not good. Anderson again. Now to Guzman. To Guzman. Same ball, that one's hand. Cassette, time for three. Cassette, 45-50, 5 leads, Demon Panzer. Sampaga. Let's make a set, pass to Valdez. Valdez, now Valdez, 8 to shoot. Pelahus to Salman. Salman attack. 2 points. 50-47. Sampaga. Sampaga di Shane. Aras Pegasek. Pass to Valdo. 10 seconds shot clock. 7 to shoot. Sampaga. Rebound to the stand. Pass to Salman. Salman, Salman, no good. Same ball. Same ball. Sampaga di Vizcarre. We have a foul number 28. Cassette. Ubaldo out. Stop. And this out. No good. Second, 1 point. 51-47. Pelahus. Pass to De Guzman. Pass to De La Cruz again. Revealing De Guzman. Seven minutes 32. 51-47. Razon. Pass to Ligania. Pass to Valdez. And one. Basket count. And warning for penalty. Warning foul. Salbahan.
Alin na ako?
Look now. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz drives. Same ball. De La Cruz wide open. But this rebound. Pass around. 2 points. Assist. Foul number 13. Sampaga. De La Cruz out. Sampaga, atake. Rebound, Abu Dhabi Champion. 2 points. Look now. Look now, atake. Ibigay ng power, 2 points. 51-57. 5 minutes 50. Result. Pass to Valdez. Binigay niya. 9 to shoot. Foul number 11. Biggest man. Look now. Stop. Warning for penalty. Point. 15-51. Second. 2-2, 59-51. Biggest man, pass to Rombawa. Rombawa. Arasbay sa Praga, pass to Lumboy. Lumboy, lalaki. Biggest man. 2 points. Here's number 21. Legal now. Pass to Rason. Tuhan and 5 for 3. No good. A set. A set to Rombawa. Nice pass. 2 points. And Advisor. Here's the number 24. Pass to number 8. To number 13. Back to number 24. Valdez. Marcos. David Smith. David Smith. The floater. And foul number 13. Sampaga. Second personal, Sampaga. One point. Second, number 2. 61-57. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 20. To number 8. Turnover. A set out. Biggest man has stayed on. Rason to Sampaga. Balik kay Rason. No good. Nasa na mayroong bawa. De Guzman ang atake. Rebound Sampaga. Pass to Ligania. Pass to Valdez. Traveling violation. De La Cruz. No good, but that's rebound. Traveling violation. 10 Cruz. Pass to Loboy. No good. Legamia. Corazon. 12 seconds, shut up. Down 3. Legamia, no good. Razon, no good. Rombala. No boy now. Valdez, out. Ormila pass to Sampaga. Sampaga no good. They got and one. Basket count. Foul number 8. Rombala. First personal. Razon, self. De La Cruz. De La Cruz saksa. Foul jersey number 23. Out, it is man. One point. 63-58, 2 minutes 40. People 2, 59-64. Bautista. Now, Legamia. Legamia to Sampaga. Sampaga for free. De La Cruz. And Swan ginawa ni jersey number 30. Sampaga. Third personal, Sampaga. One point. Sub. Sampaga now. Okay. Sige daw. Hindi namin ang rules. Kasi. Alas pa yung palo. Kasi sa labas. Low now. Nako ng Ligavia. Napahito. Yung Ligavia, hihindahin ni Bautista. Bautista di diskarte. At may foul na kuha may number 20, Kasi. Voting penalty, second personal, Kasi. 1 minute 45 seconds. Tapos, sumanak sa kabilang na ako ng Ligavia. Pinasa kay Ilang. Ang to Bautista. Bautista pa rin. Foul number 11. Dennisman. Tusha. Sub. Second personal, Dennisman. One minute 24. De La Cruz pass to Gomez. Gomez ang atake. 102 points. 66-62. 1 minute 13. Ubaldo. Pass to O'Hill. O'Hill pass to Nam. Ang namin. Ibig sa sila ng Ubaldo. Lugmao. Lugmao. Foul number 23, O'Hill. Third person out, Bellinelli. Airball. Same ball. 14 seconds. Ligavia di discarte. 2 points. The halftime. 40 seconds. Look now. Pass to Gomez. No good. Rebound. The red pass to Ligavia. 25 seconds. Ubaldo. Foul number 8. Second personal. Rombawa. Push up. 22 seconds. The score 72, 64, 22 seconds. De La Cruz Calzón, 2 points. 10 seconds. Down to 5.
Same ball.
Jersey number 24. Valdez. Naisip na po na kayo guys. Bawa. Third personal, Ron Bawa. Second free throw, Dennis Mann rebound. De La Cruz, pass to the set. Rebound De La Cruz. Jack down to Parry. 24 seconds, violation. Jersey number 30, De La Cruz. Paso look now, reverse look now, 2 points. 72-16. Jersey number 9, Marquez. Marquez to the left, stands to shoot. Pereira, no good. Guzman, rebound, pass to Lexus. Rebound is getting Rombawa, 2 points. 72-70, 88-23. Jersey number 13, Sampaga. Sampaga, didiskarte. Hassan drives, gathering the ball down, and Guzman, no good. Rebound on this. Pass to Pereira. Pereira, pull it down. 2 points. 74-17. Jersey number 9, Marquez up. Aztec out. Second personal, Marquez. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pinball. De La Cruz again, pass to Guzman. De Guzman. De La Cruz. Rombawa, no good. Extra pass, Sacco Marquez. Easy basket. And finally, 4 quarters. 76-17. The Guzman. Marquez. Marquez pinatas na Guzman. Napahinto si Marquez, binigay kay Pereira. Pereira. Pass to Valdez, stand to shoot. Lalapit, goal and steal. The Guzman, kasulog na, hinayos kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz, didiskarte, behind the back, Rombawa layup. De Guzman, panas. Foul number 9, Marquez. Third personal, Marquez. Susunod Merkules.
Hey,
14 seconds De La Cruz. No good. Foul number 11, take a snap. Third personal foul, take a snap. Rombala, out. Take a snap, out. Steal, De La Cruz. De La Cruz left, 2 points. 17-72. Pedera. Pedera. Ira Cristina. Robbery. Marquez 51. Big mouth. Pinigay, low boy. Low boy, 2 points. 78-74. Pedera. Para Suárez. Same ball, 17-second shot clock. Marquez 30. Marquez. Marquez Pasuela. 2 points. Basket count. Power boy. Ball shot. Marquez. Out. Marquez. Three-point play. 81-74. De La Cruz. Bumihit. Bumitaw wala. Nakamo ni Pedera. Pedera to Sampaga. 10 to shoot. Ubaldo, pass to Pedera. Foul number 24, Valdez. Third personal, Valdez. 14-13 foul. Robbery violation. Blanco. Pass to Valdez. Pass to Zampaga. Zampaga fires. 2 points. De La Cruz. No good. Pedera rebound. Blanco. Pass around. And again, no good. Rebound, take a spin. Pass to Basset. Steal, Valdo. Valdo pass to Valdez. 2 points, Valdez. 4 quarters. Take a spot, fires. Rebound, Zampaga. Pass to Ubaldo. Ubaldo pass down. And that was over 2 points. Take a spin. to De La Cruz. Spinning move, De La Cruz. Foul number 18. Warning. Fourth personal, Lupaldo. And four warning for penalty. One point, 7.87. 3 minutes, 25. Second free throw, 2-2. Possess. Save ball. Foul number 14. Look now. Warning for penalty, 14.
Grabe na yan, no?
Offensive foul. That's it. Bando, pick person up. Acerto De La Cruz. De La Cruz sa atake. Check. Good defense. Sampaga. Bawal sa Sampaga. Ibigay niya ang Legamia. 2 points. Ant-Man. De La Cruz. Power for 3. 10, 3, 4, 3. Possess. By De La Cruz. Nakalusot sa depensa. Ibigay kay Videra. Videra sa gilid. Going down. No good. Penalty. Foul number 20. Aztec. Third personal. Aztec. Good shot. Third. Next man to De La Cruz. Remove this pass to Zapaga. Gumulong ang bola De La Cruz. De La Cruz sa atake. No good. Now rebound of Lugmao. Lugmao. De La Cruz. Set down number 24. Possess. Fourth personal. Possess. 2 minutes to 11. Two shot. 18-19. Second, 2 for 2. 2-11. 2 minutes 11 seconds. Zampaga. Last 2 minutes. Basket down. On number 4. Number 4, Gomez. Bonus shot. Napot ang Videra. Umangat puntos ka lang. 9-4-8-1. De La Cruz fires. Air ball. Sampaga. To Ham. Penalty. Foul number 4. Gomez. Penalty. One point. Second, 2 for 2. 97-81. Gomez fires. De La Cruz for 3. No good.